Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Before checking your balance, gather what you need. Have your gift card ready, your phone or computer available, and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You'll also want to know your gift card number if you have it handy. Step 2. Visit the official ICICI Bank website to access their gift card portal. Go to ICICIbank.com and look for the gift card section. Click on the option that says Check Balance or Manage Gift Card. Make sure you're on the legitimate ICICI domain to stay secure. Step 3. Select the gift card type you have. ICICI offers different gift card options like regular gift cards or travel rewards cards. Choose the correct category that matches your card type to ensure accurate balance information. Step 4. Enter your gift card details into the system. You'll need to input your card number and sometimes the expiration date. Some versions also ask for a security code or PIN. Enter these details carefully to avoid errors. Step 5. Review your balance results on the screen. Your current balance will display immediately after verification. Take note of any expiration dates and check if there are any restrictions on remaining funds. If you see an error, you can contact ICICI customer support for assistance.